Is it like people are taking it and they're not doing cardio in the gym?
This
Like
is
a replacement
mad
of
cardio.
Oh.
This is so tiring. It's so tiring because it engages all. Imagine you're on a surfboard, and when you fall, it's like fun.
Yeah.
It's like when you like are snowboarding and you fall in like fresh snow.
Yeah.
Oh, I've never seen that one.
So you can sell it as a membership, man. Put it like
nice.
7, 8 of those here.
Yeah.
Charge people.
He has.
Like if you
3 of
want,
them.
you want to run there, run here.
The wind picked up for a bit. It's also like, imagine when you're surfing, right? Like you can, a lot of people play out this way and that way, but with this, there's no axis that stabilizes you. So
Okay.
if you lean forward just a little bit, you're gonna fall out.
Yeah.
This way, you're gonna fall that way. You're always. It engages so many muscles.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
It engages
It's
muscles that you
cognitively very good too.
Yeah, he does it specifically for back injury.
Oh.
And when I get in there, I also have back issues, which also helps. Just immediately your
Who is this guy though? Is he your friend?
Yeah, he's a UFT professor.
Okay. That makes sense. You guys need help?
I'm just gonna get him right here. Yeah, if it wasn't for this, it'd be